Hey, what's up YouTube? I am Jimmy Sequence. I'm making this video primarily to tell you guys, whoever does not know about the sound system roll call thing that we're starting. If you're in South Florida, we're in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, but it doesn't have to be Fort Lauderdale. Anywhere in Florida, really. If you want to take the drive, we're starting this new venture. As you know, there are like literally hundreds of sound systems in South Florida. And there are lots of really nice sound systems. Good, big, sweet, plain sound systems. The problem in South Florida is venue. We have no venue to do anything that makes sense. We have a few places where people come and string up their sounds and play. But, you know, we don't get no big crowds, and it's just not ideal, right? So we found a venue, the luxurious ballroom in Lauderdale. If you're in this area, you should know the luxurious. They keep a lot of really nice parties there. So myself and Steppa, we've come together and start setting up this thing where we're gonna do first and third Sundays of every month, and we're gonna do 4 sound systems. So every first and third Sundays we'll have 4 sound systems string up in luxurious ballroom. Each sound system will have 8 bass speakers, which is 4 double 18s or 8 single 18s, and top-ends to match, right? So that would be 4 double 18s, 8 single 18s, and whatever top-ends you generally use to match those 8 speakers. Again, we're starting with 4 sound systems. So you have Sequence Sound, Steppa Sound, codeForce, and Enforcer. Enforcer the World Sound, and codeForce, Sequence, Steppa. So those are the first 4 sound systems that we're going to have on the sound system roll call, is what we're going to call it. Flyers are out everywhere. Yeah, so we're starting this coming Sunday. So the first one will be Sunday, January 5th. Hopefully it turns out. I'm asking all of the sound people that has been saying there's nothing going on, there's no place to play music, rare. Now we have a venue. But, you know, as you know, if we don't get the support, it's not going to go on for too long. Because, I mean, so far me and Steppa are putting up the money to do it. And we're only going to continue doing it if we get the support. So all of the sound men that's been saying there's no place to play the sound and rare and whatever, now we have a platform and a venue. So put your money where your mouth is. In this case, you don't have to put any money. Put your sound where your mouth is, so we can build it. You feel me? Because again, if we don't get the support, and I don't mean the support of just a few sound men, like most of the things that we do, when you look, you see 20 sound men, if that much. What we want is the sound men, their friends, and their woman. And their woman's friend. You feel me? The woman's friends, their friends, sound men. We want to build this thing into something that makes sense. So again, I'm encouraging all of the people that are into the sound system dance hall community to invite friends and family members, and have their girlfriends invite their friends, so we can build it. Because we're not trying to build just a thing for a couple of sound men coming around criticizing sound system. That's not what it's about. We're trying to build something that, you know, people can talk about, that people can come into South Florida, into Fort Lauderdale on weekends, on those weekends, to enjoy some good sound systems. Again, we have 4 sound systems in the lawn, and it's a big open venue, so you can actually play real sound. You know, you won't have anybody coming telling you to turn down the bass, and you know what I mean, you won't have any police coming to bother you. It'll be something where you can actually play your sound system and get the real quality. It's mostly about quality. It's not like a sound clash type deal. You understand? it's gonna be about sound quality for the most part. Obviously, people are gonna play dub, but we're gonna try to not make it a dub thing. Yeah, you're seeing, it's mostly about quality of sounds. So, again, the first one is gonna be Sunday, December 5th, and so it's the first and third Sundays of every month. First one again is Sequence, Hot Steppa, Enforcer, and codeForce. The second one, we're gonna have Sequence, Hot Steppa. Well, I think Hot Steppa say he's not gonna be in town, so we're gonna have Stocking Studio, True Vibes, Sequence, and Yardcore sound for the second event, because Hot Steppa sound is gonna be used in some party. So that's the second event. So anyway, like I said, just support the thing. Encourage other people. Tell your friends to tell their friends, and so on. And, you know, let's build this into something massive. See? Again, thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed already, just do that. Please subscribe, share, tell everybody about it. See? See you guys next Sunday. Well, not next Sunday. This Sunday, the 5th. See? This coming Sunday. Today is Monday, so we're talking Sunday right now. Down the end of this week. Alright, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.
Broken-hearted sound boy, calling in the and soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at